Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a video on Bitcoin. Let us analyze Bitcoin and see how it's doing. And also I want to highlight one very important thing about Bitcoin. We had done a similar analysis on Bitcoin trajectory. If you haven't seen that video, I will attach the link of that video in the description. Do see that because that is going to be really helpful on a long-term Bitcoin trajectory, in my opinion. So we look at two Bitcoin charts today. First, let us analyze what Bitcoin is looking, how is it looking right now. So let us go to the Bitcoin chart. Okay, this is a 4-hour Bitcoin USD chart, and this is of Bitstamp. Okay, so uh, what we are seeing here very clearly is that Bitcoin is bullish, and you can see all the price structures that we had designed. It is going respecting it so well. Just look from where it's getting resisted. If you had seen 1 minute video of this week, these were the price targets given for Bitcoin, and you can see that it's getting resistance from the resistance zone that we have observed. So now if we understand the overall current scenario, then we all know very clearly, we can see over here that Bitcoin is flipped bullish. There is no doubt about it. We have broken out of this entire downward trend, which we were trending since almost 2 months. And so this was a great consolidation where we can see this push, this breakout, and the kind of push we've got. So this is a mind-blowing beginning for a new bull run, in my opinion. If we look at the bottom and calculate the top, we've had almost 58% pump in Bitcoin itself. That is amazing. That is amazing. And that too in a very short period of time. If we calculate, then it's only 22 days, 23 days. In 23 days, Bitcoin is up 58%, 57%. So this is something mind-boggling. And just like a healthy correction that we got over here, okay, we are looking at a 4-hour chart, but I am sure if you go to daily, you can clearly see that we have only been having green candles for so long. So let us look at this daily structure where we can clearly see getting resistance from here. Again, this area was highlighted before, and we got exactly from there. We came down, retested as support, and this 37,700 zone, 37,400, extremely sorry. This is the zone of 37,400 to $500. This we have created as support. We have flipped it as support, which is extremely bullish. And now we have gone up, created another higher high. So technically speaking, whether we consolidate somewhat over here and again go back up, this can be one scenario, or we come back down, create a higher low, and we refuel our next move. So these are the two options, and in fact, coming back down would be healthy, in my opinion. We will flush out some weekends and have a healthy retracement at somewhere around $42,000 range. Retesting this as support would be really great. Also, the 47 to $48,000 range was previous support. You can see over here, lot of supports there. So to break it on the one go itself is not, I mean, we can't expect that. We have to respect all the supports because now that is acting as resistance. But this consolidation right now is also looking good on a daily. So in this, we can come back over here just like this. We can have another few red days, come back, retest 42, and then get ready to break 50K, because that would be extremely good and healthy in my opinion. And a lot of people are waiting to buy the dips, so I'm sure that the dips are going to get filled very quickly in my opinion. So overall Bitcoin is looking good. This was a Bitcoin basic analysis. We are bullish. There is nothing bearish in any which way. And even if you look at daily, you can see we have flipped bullish on the daily, and our bullish ribbon is at around 41,000. So we are way above. Coming and retesting this is sign of bullish continuation. You can see it over here. We came down, we retested this green ribbon, and we bounced exactly from there. So coming back and retesting it at 41, and in a few days this ribbon might also go up till 42. So this is a very important zone. So anywhere from 41 to 42,000 zone I think should hold very well, and that would be a bullish continuation. So this is it. What I wanted to show you was a very important thing on the Bitcoin trajectory chart. So I have opened another Bitcoin, and I've kept this Bitcoin trajectory chart as it is. I have not done any changes. You can see the previous video if you haven't seen, because we are following this Bitcoin trajectory, and this trajectory is there since 3 to 4 years. So go and check out the first analysis if you haven't done it. I will not waste further time of yours and mine in repeating this trajectory. But what I am currently seeing is, you can see over here, we got the first resistance exactly at this trajectory resistance point. I love TA because it makes so much sense. Just look at this. This we had designed somewhere over here. We had this, I think first trajectory video was a month or a 2 month old. I don't remember, but you can check that out. Point is that we came back, retested. Now we have broken this. So it would totally make sense to come and retest this breakout, which again is at around 42 to $43,000 zone. And that would create a new way for Bitcoin to go up and retest this black trajectory line, which currently, if today, if as of today we retest it, it is at 69,000, sorry, 70,100. But every day it keeps growing by some few dollars, few $100. So say if we retest it in September, it will be at 71,500. So similarly, so this is also a very important thing you should have in mind when you zoom out, that Bitcoin is following this trajectory which we had analyzed, and it is on its way. So there is nothing broken on the overall structure, and it is looking very strong in my opinion. So that is it, guys. Nothing to be alarming about Bitcoin, and I will keep you posted whenever I see something that I feel like sharing with you regarding Bitcoin. I hope you guys are following me on Twitter and also on Telegram. Please like this video, guys. Support the channel. Take care. Bye bye.